I don't want to come on here and just like rant and rave about every hair company because it's not realistic. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys, and I know I always say that because all of my videos are exciting, okay? That is the tea. That is the real tea, okay? I have a 5-month updated review on this Tinashe loose deep wave hair, so I'm not going to make this intro super long. Let's just get on with the video. Alrighty, so there are some things that we need to talk about. There are some updates. I bleached this hair. It was a fail. And I don't know if it's the hair's fault or if it's my fault. I left the bleach on for about 45 minutes and I could only get this like light, not even light brown, just like a brown color. This is all I could get the hair to lift to. And I think it's because I used 30 volume developer. I guess I should have used 40, but I thought that if I used 40 it would be too strong and it would get too blonde and I wouldn't know what I was doing. But I guess next time I try to bleach some hair, I gotta use 40 volume developer because this did not take. The ends took more than up here, but yeah, it didn't take. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the hair. I don't know if it was me. But just so you guys are aware, I tried to bleach this hair and it did not really take. So yeah, thought you guys should know that. I did also try to bleach the knots. That was also a fail. And I think it's really the developer because knots normally bleach like that. Like when I see videos, everybody's notches. I can't speak today. Everyone's knots bleach so good, and I don't really know what happened with me. So I think it's the developer. I'm going to buy a 40 volume developer and probably try to re-bleach the knots so that I'll be more satisfied. But this frontal is looking good, y'all. It's still looking good. I love this wave pattern. It has loosened up a teensy bit. If you guys saw my last video on this hair, it looks pretty much the same. And I bleached the hair, so y'all, the curl pattern, well, this is not a curl, it's a wave. The wave pattern is still very much intact and I still love the hair. It's still soft, but I finally did end up putting some heat to this hair and trying to curl it, and I didn't like it. Something about the texture of this hair, when you put heat to it, it kind of frizzes up and it looks poofy and it just doesn't look as good as it does in its natural state. And normally it's the other way around. Like I won't like how the hair looks naturally, but I'll like how it looks when it's curled. But this hair, I don't curl it because I tried it once. It was a fail. If I have a picture, I'll insert it. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it curled. I just like it just like this. This is the natural pattern. I have not added any product, no gel, no mousse, anything. The only thing I did was wash it with conditioner and I put a little bit of argan oil, like the ORS brand or whatever brand it is with the little mini bottles. I spray that through the hair and I just let it air dry like this and it looks really good, you guys. What do you think? What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. And for 5 months, this hair is holding up really well. And I believe I only paid $150 something at the time. You guys, $150 for a frontal and bundles, and it looks thick. Looks nice and thick. Like this wig is not thin. It's nice and thick. I think I only used 3 bundles. Everything will be listed in the description box below. The hair has held up really well in the 5 months that I have had it. I got this hair in April and it is now September. Like we've been through the summer together. Like we went through spring, we went through summer. I don't, however, wear this wig that often, just for the simple fact that I made the wig wrong. So I need to remake the wig so that the frontal could come all the way down on the sides. As you can see, my real edges are out because I sewed the frontal down wrong, and it's a long story, and the frontal is like back here when it should be over here. Whatever. I have to remake this wig, but I'm wearing it like a closure right now, and it looks really good. As you guys can see, come a little closer. When you get closer, you can obviously see it, but I have to put baby hairs with this wig because the frontal, the color of the lace doesn't mesh well with the skin, and the frontal is a little bit thick. Like the lace itself is a little thicker than some of the other frontals I've worked with, so you can kind of see the line of demarcation no matter what you do. So that would be my one thing about this hair, is that the frontals, the lace itself is a little thick. I would prefer it be a little thinner, and that's just up to the company whether they want to, you know, use a different lace or whatever the case. But yeah, I put a little powder foundation to make it match better, but It is a little thick in comparison to other frontals I've tried, and I just want to be honest with you guys, the frontal isn't the best frontal I've ever seen, but for the price, it's worth the price, if that makes sense. I don't want to come on here and just like rant and rave about every hair company because it's not realistic. It's not realistic to like everything about every hair in every company. It's just not going to happen. So that is my only complaint. And since I've had it for 5 months now and I've tried other hairs in between, I can give you guys a more holistic, more accurate review on the hair. And that review on this hair is one of my most popular videos. So thank you guys so much. You really enjoyed Tinashe hair. Me too. I like their hair too. The only thing they need to work on is their frontal, okay? So if they're trying to send me another one, do you want to send me another frontal Tinashe hair? If you're watching this, my email is in the description, okay? It doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle, none of that. I don't experience any of that with this hair, and I bleached it. You can run your hands pretty much right through it, even at the back of the wig. You'll get a snag or two, as you can see, but your fingers will go right through it, and it has a lot of body. It's not stiff. I do this stiff test in all my videos. If your hair does not move with you, then you need to throw it out. So yeah, it has a lot of body, and even just fluffing it up like this gives it a lot of volume, and I think it looks really, really pretty. So I still very much enjoy this hair. If you guys have any questions about this company and this hair and this texture, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy my hair reviews. Based on the analytics, you guys do not like when I do anything other than hair. You come to me for hair advice, and I understand. I'm listening, okay? I'm gonna try to stick to mostly hair, but hair videos are expensive, okay? I can't keep buying hair all the time, and every once in a while I do get free hair, but y'all, can you like some of my other content, please? Damn. But yeah, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You guys, I'm really, really, really excited. You guys have been showing me so much support. We're at, I think, 720 subscribers. So within the next 2 weeks, we should be at 800, okay? I believe in you guys. We can do this. The family is growing, okay? So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, okay? No ifs, ands, or buts. There will be a giveaway. As long as you're commenting and you're liking the videos and you're staying active, it's going to be a person that has been ride or die for my channel. And I see you guys, like the people who I don't even know in real life, who watch all my videos, who always comment, who always thumbs it up, who message me on Instagram, like the people who have been riding for me back when I had 200, 300 subscribers. Those are the people that I'm going to be searching for when I do that giveaway, for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So yes, if you guys want to be down with the team, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stick around because I'm not going nowhere, okay? I recently rebranded my channel to Erica Andrea because I wanted my brand to be my name. And when companies reached out to me, they would reach out to me as Beauty by Rick, and I wanted my Instagram and my YouTube to both coincide. So I changed my Instagram name from Queen Ricka to Erica Andrea with an underscore in front because someone else took my username. I changed my YouTube URL, my YouTube name. I changed my intro and I changed my banner. I rebranded everything. So let me know how you guys feel about that. Do you want me to stay Beauty by Rick or do you prefer Erica Andrea? Because that's my name. You know, my name is my brand. So that's why I made the change. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!